Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to do a full office tour, a trader's office. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want any of this stuff that we are going to be showing you guys today, I'll put a link to it all down below so you guys can get it right there. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and let's jump into this. All right, so we are walking in the office here. You guys will notice that I have two screens. This is kind of the bread and butter. This is my trading setup here. I'm not a trader where I'm gonna have a million different charts up. I have two. I have normally up one for my charting, one for any software I'm running or YouTube, TikTok, anything like that. I'll have over here just for fun. We have this awesome Shure microphone, which is awesome because you can tap it, touch it, mute it, all of that. And then we can go this way here. Right up here, this is our IKEA shelf that we recently just made. You guys will see that we have this cool record label up here. You guys will notice I'm a huge Guardians fan. We have the record player up there. We have our little Gringotts area right here. Got this on our recent trip to Florida. As we come down here, more Funko Pops. Kind of have it a little separated here. We got Star Wars. We got me and my wife down here. We got my old dog. Some motivational stuff. You got this. We have some, stuff we got in Jamaica and all that. We got a little safe down there. And then we can go this way back to the desk here. You guys will notice we have little drawers. We just got some random, stuff in here. Some receipts for tax time, stuff like that. So the next thing here we have, let's go this way. We got our microphone, or not our microphone, we got our light, and we got our camera. We use the Canon R50, which is an awesome, awesome camera. We'll go this way. For those of you that know, we have several YouTube channels. So this is just keeping track of stuff that we have and stuff that we're ready to post and stuff like that. We can continue to come this way here. This right here is more Funko Pops. We do have a little camera that's always kind of recording. As we come this way, this is kind of like our charging ports here. We have, it's a little dusty here, but we have some charging stuff for cameras and GoPros and stuff like that. And you guys can see a little box down there. We got our triathlon. For those of you that know, I was in a triathlon. Got our finisher's medal there. TV. This cool LED light that I can control on my phone. Lightsaber, Wall Street stuff, obviously, trading, stuff like that. And then over here we have more cameras. We have GoPros, we have our drone. We have another battery here, and then we have a cool little wine bottle. As we come down, we got some moonshine when we went to Tennessee. We got this cool little plant there, my brother and I, when we were young. Then we have a box here. This was the ring box that I proposed to Lindsay with. Down here we have some more trading, some more trading books and stuff like that. Carter Farr here, engraved. And we got more stuff down here, my old camera, books, stuff like that. And then we just got kind of some knickknacks down on the bottom here. Going to the desk, we have our little bowl here, salt lamp, and just more knickknacks. And for me, in my closet right there, kind of trashed. But overall, guys, my trading setup, I keep it as easy as I can, simple. I don't overcomplicate everything, so it's simple. It's simple, it gets the job done. I'm not a trader where I'm gonna have 30 million monitors up. I'm gonna have two monitors that I can completely devote time and energy into, not feel overwhelmed or overcomplicated about. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Figured it was a fun, different video today. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.